Are you tired of repetitive tasks slowing you down? Imagine automating your workflow effortlessly without the need of any expertise coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how Smartsheet automation can revolutionize your productivity. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be diving into Smartsheet automation features, a tool designed to streamline your process, reduce manual work, and keep your projects on track. So what is a Smartsheet automation? Smartsheet automations allow you to create workflows that automatically trigger based on specific conditions. Whether it's sending alerts, updating statuses, or moving data between sheets, automations can handle it all, leaving you with more time to focus on critical tasks. That means no more dropping the ball because you forgot to send that email for approval, and no more having to manually ask for updates either. You can literally have these automation workflows work while you sleep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very first automation in Smartsheet. Alright, so navigate over to your sheet, click on automations on the top left, and click on create from scratch. So now we're going to choose a title for our workflow. And up next, we're going to set the trigger for the automation. So I'm going to say when a task changes to any value, I want my action to be to alert someone, meaning send an email to contacts in a specific cell. So I'm selecting the assigned to column. So whatever contacts are in that specific assigned to column, my automation is going to be sent to them. And then I'm going to select a subject for my automation. And you can also input a message in the body if you want to. Now I'm gonna say, I want the message to include links to sheet in all fields. And then you save and we're done. Now that we've gone over the basic steps of how to set up an automation, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to make your automations more effective. So when you're creating an automation, try not to overthink it. Start with your very basic questions. That first question should be, what is the trigger? Meaning, what needs to happen in order to kick this automation off? And what is the action? Meaning, what do you want to happen after the trigger occurs? Smartsheet also has ready-to-use automation templates in case you're in need of a little bit of an inspiration. Tip number 2 is to always go back and review to make sure your automations are still aligning with your project needs. Sometimes you think of an automation that works perfectly in your head, but then the more you use it, the more you realize you could change it a little bit to make it more effective. So don't be afraid to always go back and edit that workflow so that it's still suiting all of your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. Tip number 3 is to utilize conditional paths to handle different scenarios within your workflow. Conditional paths can be a little intimidating at first, but don't be afraid to let your imagination run free and allow yourself to experiment with them. So don't forget, by leveraging Smartsheet automations, you can transform how you manage projects by saving time and reducing errors. So are you ready to elevate your workflow? Start by building your automations today.